I can say what I really had.
Yeah. This one get a measurement, and then we can.
What's up, people?
What up, peoples?
We are here, day 2 of this laundry room.
Yeah.
As you see, we have dirt still. We get all the wire and the water hooked up so we can do some floor joist and some flooring to make these ladies feel secure, because I'm sure they don't want no snakes or any kind of creatures poking and prodding up.
No, sir.
You are right.
Let's get a measurement. Get your bow out there. Pull it tight.
Cut like butter.
New employee, Mr. Rick. He's retired. He comes out to help us on rainy days, but today's a sunshiny day. Sunshiny day. See if I got that cut?
Yeah, Willard's trying to get up here.
Yeah, I see that. Willard.
Yeah, that's his name.
Ghost on it. What's up, people? Look at the joist going in.
What you call it? Something?
Sap. Where's it doo-doo? What are you talking?
No, I thought that shit must be French. It don't smell weird. Oh well.
What are we smelling?
It smelled. So I touched something. Not sure what it was. You always smell to check what you stuck your finger in.
Alright.
All right. Looking good, people. That's just a subtle, all right, you know, like.
Got the joist in. Now it's time for some plywood.
Wood pie.
Wood ply.
Like it.
And it's hot. It is hot in here.
It is very. I'm like, really? Let's get in hot.
As you see from this side of the floor that we're raised up, that's how far unlevel it is from that side over there. So we had to tear all the joists out and re-level it. Here we go with the plywood. What's up, people?
What's up, mother bitch?
we're here. Our laundry room remodel. Put the floor in like we was yesterday. We had a few little items that we forgot, so we had to pick up. So we're getting it installed. And we're catching stuff like this right here. You see this right here? This is a big no-no. You do not black tape and just leave stuff in your walls. That is a fire hazard. So we're going to be putting those in boxes like they're supposed to, so they cannot catch fire.
Yes, sir.
We're also going to move some plug-ins over there by Sassy, over there.
My bad.
And contract was standing on the wood.
I like standing on wood.
Now that we get that piece set over there, we can start screwing her down, you guys.
We're going to start screwing.
We can screw it down until we get to this middle. And leave this last row open.
Alright.
Because that's where all our plumbing and our drain and all that stuff's going to come in through this last wall right here. So today's adventure is
Oh, it's going to have to go. I see it,
we're going to have to get the floor down, screwed in. We're going to put the sheetrock up on the ceiling right here. Sheetrock on that back wall. Sheetrock on this wall right here. That's what we're shooting for, people. Stay tuned and work with the homeowner's handyman today. Ranger, Contract Black, Sassy C.
We out this mile.
We are here. We're here.
We're here. Yeah.
And we're going to knock this brother out. What's up, peeps? It is hot. It is hot in here. And our battery is going dead, it looks like. We have the floor down. Or the subfloor. Let me correct myself. The subfloor is down. And contract is putting that pesky wire that somebody had put. They just the last person come in and just black tied it and put tape around it, and we see why they put tape around it now, because it sticks out the ends.
Right.
So we're putting that in a junction box so it won't catch the house on fire.
Yes, sir.
So we're turning what we found a no-no into a safety hazard.
Yes,
So
yes, sir.
after he gets that buttoned up, we put him another outlet going out to their dining room. Sassy has got us hooked up on the sheetrock. We're fixing to start the ceiling.
Nothing down.
Don't you love working over your head? Over your head.
Over your head.
So we're gonna throw some sheetrock up on the ceiling.
Yep.
And probably on probably a couple walls. We're waiting on windows over here, so Ranger's really getting ahead of himself. Supposed to be installing some windows that's not made it in yet. They are on order.
We'll have to wait on them to come in.
So we're waiting on the windows to come in, and we got to order the floor in also.
Yes, sir. So.
We're gonna put some sheetrock up on the ceiling. Yes, we're gonna raise the roof.
Raise the
from the windows to the wall. To the wall.
Ay, ay. Look. I'm too cool for the rules, baby, get off of me. Never need no push, I do it all for me. Keep a couple real hitters, got them on call for me. Money moving, got it in the market where it ought to be. Too true for the flex, baby, don't cap to me. Drop 50, bring 150 right back to me. Keep a couple real hitters, got them on call for me. Money moving, got it in the market where it ought to be. Look, Papa don't preach, teachers don't teach, niggas gon' reach, that's facts. I ain't worried about none of that shit, I'm making that cash stack. Bunch of O's like NASCAR, but it's really more like NASDAQ. Why they thinking that they hot shit when they really more like ass crack? Quarter on me like a referee, niggas hating what they'll never be. Small top with a big bottom, yeah, shorter shape like a letter D. Let her have it, then I let her be. If you love it, gotta let it grow. Crazy cause you really never know. When I'm hurting, never let it show. I'm a two-tone, two-phone, two-chain, new thing, lame whipper. You a broke ass, low class, no cash, certified lame, nigga. I've been getting to it like I ought to. Couldn't pick, so I bought two. Understand why your chick came, I'm just trying to figure why she brought you. I'm really reppin' and I'm flexed up, and I ain't gotta tell him I'm next up. Sleep on a nigga, they rest up, but I'm up and I'm getting my checks up. Me and the fellas be high as propellers, ain't shit you could tell.